We wanted to make something fun for Super Bowl this year, so what did we make?
Nachos.
More specifically, we made an 8-layer
Nacho dip.
Shall we do this?
Yep.
Let's start with our bean dip. So what do we got here? We have
kidney beans.
That's right. And we're gonna add in a cup of salsa. You got it?
Ooh.
Let her rip. So all we're really looking for here is to make a nice layer of bean dip on the bottom, and the salsa helps to lubricate it a little. That's a weird way to.
Why did he say it like that?
Sometimes I throw words in there that I shouldn't use. Now we're gonna make some guacamole really, really quickly. So how I like to cut an avocado is to slice it lengthways, and then to get the pit out, scoop it out into there. Half a teaspoon of salt. Can you cut those limes in half for me? Fresh lime juice.
Luckily, I don't have any cuts in my hand.
Yeah, you'd find out real quick, wouldn't you? Oh, I do have a cut. Mike, that's fun. Mother chuckles, that stings. Boom! Guacamole.
Let me taste some. Oh, a big chunk of avocado. More lime.
Oh, good call. Now we're gonna make our cheese sauce, and we're gonna add in our 1/3 of a cup of water, a cup of cashews that have been soaked in water. This just helps them blend up nicely. And then we're gonna put in 1 chopped orange pepper. Do you know what the orange is gonna do?
Make it orange?
Yeah, it's gonna give it like a cheese color. And then last but not least,
a 1/4 cup of nooch.
which is?
Nutritional yeast.
And what's that gonna do?
Make it cheesy.
All right. Boom.
That goes so well with the corn and everything.
Yeah, now we're gonna assemble. So first we're gonna start with our
bean dip.
Spoon it all into the middle, and then you can spread it out from there.
Okay.
Let's get that avocado. Cheese sauce is next. I believe it's salsa next, yeah. So to make your own salsa, you could just do a combination of chopped tomatoes with like some cumin, some chili powder, some paprika, salt, but this is store-bought salsa. Now it's just kind of a mixture of a bunch of things. So it's kind of cucumber. We're gonna throw the corn in there too. Yeah, throw the olives in there.
Whoops.
And then last but not least, just sprinkle those chives all over. So there is our 8-layer nacho dip. Doink. You really gotta reach down to the bottom to get it all. There we go, ready? Half of it ended up on my hand. That's so good. All right, this isn't gonna last. Everyone get in here and eat some. Give me the camera.
Oh, man.
Ooh.
So great.
I was blown away how cheesy nooch is.
So as you can see, it's a bit hectic, but this comes together pretty quickly, and it helps if you got someone in the kitchen to help you along. Thanks for joining me, bud.
No problem.
Yeah. I'm gonna scrape some off my face now.